Hey guys, welcome back to another Christmas video. Today's video is going to be all about how to add Christmas cozy to your house this year. So these are like 10 of my tried and true things that I try to do every year that just kind of add like instant joy, instant cozy, and just help you get into the vibes and like the feeling of Christmas.
Okay, before we get started, I just wanted to highlight a few of these items that I bought from Walmart.com that you will see me use throughout the rest of this video. Like, look at these adorable books. I love that they look vintage. They're really great quality, and I love stacking the three of them all together. They feel very different, very cutesy. This was a rattan vase that I had for fall, and I wanted to show it again here because honestly, I think it looks adorable using it for Christmas, putting some of these fake poinsettias in there. This is an adorable little stand, and these are some really cute beads. I'm not going to use these beads on this little round stand, but they both were kind of the same vibe, so I wanted to show both, but they're neutral, so they're good. Now this is a candle holder, and it reminds me of my big reindeer. I just thought it was adorable. Okay, and you guys, these Christmas pillows. These are probably the best Christmas pillows I've ever found. I mean, look how adorable the Santa face is. It's stitched. I like how the plaid one is reversible with red. Now, when you buy these, you actually only get the pillow case. You don't get the insert with it, which I actually like because you can fill them as you wish every season and you don't have a ton of giant pillows to store. You only have the pillowcases to store. And again, I showed you guys this in the fall video, but I love that this particular mirror has that antiqued brass look, and it would be perfect to use for Christmas because it kind of transcends both of the seasons, which I think is perfect. I absolutely love all of these items, so I'm going to go ahead and link all of them below so you guys can find them. Happy shopping! Okay, now let's get back to the rest of our 10 cozy Christmas tips.
First things first, decorate your mantle. Now, mantle decorating can be intimidating to some people because there's so many different ways to do it. One of the easiest ways is literally to just put a garland right across the top and some stockings underneath, and that is exactly what I did this year because I did not have a lot of time and I was trying to be efficient, and it looks beautiful. You know, I love my previous self, my past self, I just love, because past Sharrah thinks ahead. See, I decorate before the rest of the world decorates, so all the cool things that pop up on TikTok and Instagram, they don't hit my feed until I'm done decorating, which is what happened last year. And these little guys popped on my feed. They are, oh, I'm so excited about this. I literally just told you I'm gonna have to find a way to get the mantle decorated without putting a hole in it. This is how. It's a 3M hook. You wrap it around the garland and put it into the lock. I bought this last year and I put it in this box knowing next year these will be nice to use. Thank you, previous Sharrah. You did good. Something about having a loaded mantle with just like thick, lush greenery just instantly adds so much warmth and like coziness to your space for the holidays. In previous years, I've added twinkle lights to it to kind of give it like a nice little fade. But if you're also decorating in a normal season, like me, I'm decorating in October, so you guys can have these videos on time in November when everyone else is ready to decorate. But I cannot get live Christmas tree anything right now in this season because it is not yet cold enough and no one is selling Christmas trees near me. But you guys could. And I think a live garland would be so beautiful on a fireplace and will add not only visually such a cozy look, but the smell would be amazing. Number 2, decorate your staircase. So obviously decorating your banister on your staircase is gonna just instantly add a lot. It kind of spreads out. Like a lot of people just decorate the tree and that might be it, or you put some pillows on your sofa, and those are great. But if you wanna spread your Christmas cheer throughout the entire house, doing your banister all the way up is gonna really bring kind of that like visual kind of connecting throughout the house. So if you have greenery on your mantle, you connect it over to your banister. That's gonna really make it super, super beautiful. And you can connect the swoops. There's all kinds of ways to do staircase banisters. You can do it straight along the banister, like up the railing. You can swoop it, which is what I like to do. And in between the swoops, it's really beautiful to have little mini moments. So you can do kind of an arrangement of picks and pine cones and ribbons. You could just do ribbons like I did this year. I just did a simple 2-loop ribbon with my red velvet ribbon. That's so cute. I just think it adds a classic finished look. Number 3, add a wreath to your front door and kind of create like a moment in your entryway. Obviously, adding a wreath is very simple. You could use a 3M hook. I, again, found these wreaths that are the same exact material as what I use on my banister and my fireplace, which does kind of create a little bit of cohesion throughout your home, which I think looks really nice. But hanging that on your door, you can add ribbons to it. You could add twinkle lights to it if you want. I'm doing a very simple, natural look this year. But as they enter through your front door, allowing Christmas to really make a statement in the front door entryway is also a great way for people that come to visit you and for yourself when you walk in your house to feel that Christmas cheer. So adding Christmas books, having some red and green, whether you use trays or a candle, having Santa figurines, whatever your style is this year for the holidays, have that represented. Sometimes it could just be a bowl with holiday ornaments in them. Or like potpourri that has some red and green in it. Just something that will kind of lift your spirits when you walk in, look very Christmassy, and kind of sets the tone for what people are about to see in your home. Number 4, add greenery and a little bit of decor to your kitchen. Adding greenery does make it feel homey. I don't know, there's something about it. Somebody prove me wrong, but it just does. So add those swags over your windows in your kitchen, on the hood of your oven, of your stove area, bringing the Christmas greenery through the kitchen. And then you can do little fun touches like a little soap dispenser by your sink or some kitchen towels that are red and green. But all these little tiny things add up to like the overall like, oh my gosh, it's so Christmassy and wonderful. It's not overkill, it's not overdone. You can just do it in small amount. Number 5, use holiday dishes, holiday mugs. Get some decorative serving dishes for the holidays, basically. The reason being is these are items you're gonna use forever if you love to host. They're gonna be things that you possibly hand down to your grandchildren or to your children. And it just brings me instant joy to unwrap it every single year. They're just precious, they're beautiful, especially the coffee mugs. I feel like once it's Christmas time or it's like, you know, but depending on when you celebrate, if it's after Halloween or after Thanksgiving, I feel like there's some discrepancy there. Like those of you that love to decorate on November 1st, and then those of you wait all the way till right after Thanksgiving. But of those two camps, it's just a wonderful way to bring in the season when you have decorative mugs to enjoy your nice hot cup of coffee, whichever you prefer. Number 6, create a holiday bucket list. Now that our kids are kind of the age to go on these activities, to actually remember them, to have fun and engage with different things, I love making kind of a bucket list for the holidays of things we can do. To go see Christmas lights, to go and get hot chocolate somewhere, to make hot chocolate at home, to bake your favorite festive Christmas cookie or Christmas dessert, to watch certain Christmas movies. Just making a list of things that you can do during the holidays with your family to just kind of like have as your goal for the season, something to look forward to. It could even be something like going to a soup kitchen and serving, or gifting. Like I love being able to give gifts to people, so finding people in need that maybe need Christmas gifts, going and taking your kids to go Christmas shopping for someone else, wrapping them up and dropping them off on their doorstep. Ways to give back, ways to have fun with your kids, and to make precious Christmas memories. Number 7, pick your holiday fragrance. Okay, so you guys know my tried and true that I have always used the past, 5 or 6 years, has been the Leaves candle. It just smells like everything perfect for Christmas. To live in a world without fragrance is just a very sad world for me. You know, I try to go clean everywhere else, but I just have not been able to kick the fabric softener and the candles, okay? I'm just a big fan. Number 8, bring out some Christmas games. Last year was kind of our first take at having Christmas games with the kids. We had that big Santa pants game that Tyler wore the pants and the kids had to throw the balls in it. There's also the like manger one where you can write out different ideas and things you can do to serve your community during the holidays. I'm also going to be posting a video on some activities that I'm doing with the kids, different craft activities that are holiday themed. So if you have little ones like I do, keep your eye open for that video because I think it's going to be really cute. Number 9, get yourself some really cozy Christmas bed sheets. Christmas bed sheets, I think, instantly get you into the cozy Christmas spirit because you climb into bed, you feel so festive, and it just feels warm and cozy. Christmas plaid, there's nothing like it. They're ones that you're gonna use every single year, so I just really encourage you to like invest in them and have fun with it, and you can even get them for your kids like I did. And number 10, last but not least, get yourself some Christmas jammies. Like these, except these you do not sleep in for obvious reasons. They're festive and fun, and these are like the perfect PJs if you go to a Christmas pajama party because they're cute and they're comfy and they're stylish, but you would never sleep in them. But you should get the ones that you sleep in because those are really fun to do with kids. And when you get in your cozy PJs, you need to have a Christmas movie list, okay? There are so many out there if you just Google it, if you need some, top 5s. The Holiday, the Santa Claus 1, the Grinch, Home Alone. Do you have any?
No.
Oh, Elf. That is a really good one. Yeah, those are my top 5. What are your top 5? Anybody want to leave me? Let's all share. That's a great thing. Let's all make a combined list right now. Everyone put down your top 5 holiday Christmas movies and then scroll through the comments and write them down in notes on your phone. That way when it comes time to watch the movies, we all have a good list. Well, and that concludes the top 10 ways that I love to make our home cozy for Christmas. I really hope that they encourage and inspire you to do the same. Christmas is my favorite holiday, my favorite time of year, and I am just so happy that it's here. And I'm so happy that you came and watched this video with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't seen the house tour, go ahead and watch that. That should be out already. Our Decorate With Me video is out already. And I forget when this video is going up, but we have some really fun, cute videos with the kids that I hope you guys are encouraged and inspired, and I hope you love it. Okay, guys, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas with your families, and I will see you guys next time.